How to change your email on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your email on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then click here, click this one, settings, and then click your account and then account information, and now click email and then type your password and then just click next, and then you will be able to add an email or change your email. And that's how change your email on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.